what's up everyone, it's MegaStriker21 here. See, I have a server. If you want to help me, just go on this IP, I'll show you. You can pause this video and try to, there's not that much spots. Okay, go on this IP address, import right now, and if you want to help me build, just meet me on the server. If you want to help me build my server, then the faster I have, the more builders I have, the faster everything will be done. Hope you guys enjoy. Please subscribe, hit that little bell for notifications, and like this video. And go make a strike.